guys, it's Jess and welcome to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video for you. Tonight is my first college formal. It is 5 p.m. now, which means I'm supposed to be at dinner right now meeting my friends, but tonight my dorm is doing their spring formal, which is really cool because I'm not in a sorority. I didn't rush this year, which means you don't always get to like go to these kinds of formal things unless someone invites you as a date. However, tonight I get to go, I get to bring my friends, and I'm so excited. I guess technically I'm going with my friends, but whatever. Anyways, if y'all are new here, please be sure to subscribe down below. I just want to say hi to you. It's awesome that you're here. But yeah, what I have to do today is eat dinner. I gotta get ready, do my hair. I really wanted to paint my nails, but that's not gonna happen. This starts at 7:15, so I figured I'd take some time to eat, and I'll have plenty of time to get ready. Might have time to do my nails, who knows? It's gonna be a great night though, and I'm so excited. Okay, I took a bite first, but this is dinner. Enchiladas, rice, nachos. Adri's here. Hello, I'm back. I went down, ate dinner, got to hang out with my friends. I love eating dinner with my friends. It's just really fun. So I'm sitting here, my curling iron's heating up. I think it's like ready to go. I put on a robe so that once my hair is done, I can just like slip it over my head. And it also occurred to me, I'm sitting on my office chair, by the way, like my little desk chair. But it occurred to me that because I worked out my arms yesterday for the first time in like probably ever, not really, but like for the first time in like a long time, and my arms are sore. And I'm about to be like this, and I'm like, that already makes my arms hurt. So super fun. If any of you are wondering what prep I have done so far, I don't know if I do what all the little other girls do, but last night I waxed my mustache, fixed up my eyebrows a little bit. I just like trimmed my nails. Had I been thinking, I would have painted them, but I didn't have time. I took a really long shower and it was a good time. So I have clean hair today. I don't know if clean hair is clean hair is not always the best for styling, but I don't know, I just couldn't wait to get it clean yesterday. So right now I'm just gonna part my hair into 2 layers because I feel like if I don't, I tend to miss stuff. So now I am just going to go in and do my hair. I didn't film the whole thing because I personally am getting tired of editing hair styling montages over the years, and I feel like you must be tired of watching them. I could be wrong. My hair is done. It doesn't look as sassy on camera, but I don't want to put hairspray in it yet until I can get someone to look at the back of it for me, because I think it's ready, but I'm kind of just gonna let it like sit and do its thing, whatever that means, and then I'm gonna flip my hair around and hairspray it in a few minutes. For the time being, I think I'm gonna like use this and like very gently tie it back. I just put on my e.l.f. primer. If you want to watch, I'm doing something similar to my everyday makeup routine, but I am about to put on foundation. This never happens. This means I have to actually use a sponge. What? I'm using not a beauty blender, but I'm using, this is the Real Technique ones. It's cheaper and I honestly think they're better. They're bigger. I like it so much more. And it's like, I don't know, I had a beauty blender, didn't want to pay $20 for it ever again. It's pretty bad. So I'm gonna put on my foundation now. Also listening to some Casey Musgraves. Love that girl. Hello.
How are you?
All girl dress. Yeah. Hang on. You want to say hi?
Oh.
Ashley's here and she's all dressed. Your makeup looks so pretty.
Thanks. I was like, is it too much?
No, it's perfect.
Your hair.
Thanks. I was gonna have you look at it and tell me if I missed anything. Okay. Adri's coming sometime in the near future. I have no idea when that is. She said she was coming when her makeup's done. This is the first time I've used foundation in like 3 months. I just gave up on it because I got tired of wearing it.
Yeah.
Well, and also my skin was... Okay, I have finished getting ready. I didn't film all of it. It's just a mess. I don't even know what I'm doing. I did a little, what did I do? I did a little eyeshadow, and I used my Naked 2 palette. I kind of stopped doing eyeshadow, but I did these 2 light colors. And then I put on a little gold glitter, like subtle gold glitter. And so I'm wearing this red dress that I actually wore like a few years ago at homecoming, but I think it's gonna be cute for tonight because I don't think long dresses are the move, so like it works. So now we're just getting, I guess we're doing final last minute stuff, and then I think we're gonna go head downstairs. Okay, so these are Ashley and Adri's outfits. Wait, you wanna show your dress? Yeah. Your bell dress, and then your cute little shoes. Yeah. And Ashley's very sassy over here. So fun. I love it. Wait, I'm gonna come do a mirror one. Oh, okay, so I have these really cool jandals on the bottom. I just wore those to walk down the hallway, but this is my dress, and then I have some red heels I'm about to put on, but this is my look minus the jandals. We just got some little snacks that we're gonna eat. They got better plates than me. There's a lot of good food. I just wanted to start small. She's a lover who I am.
Ticket number is, everybody quiet, here we go, 406 198.
Know that you're toxic. Hey guys, I am back in my room now after our formal. Casino night was so fun. We started off the night, it started kind of slow, like, I mean, you know, like every time a prom, a dance, a formal starts, it's kind of slow, so we like hung out, ate some food. One of my friends was coming later, so we just kind of chilled. Then we went in and sat down at the blackjack table, and we literally played blackjack for I don't know how long. It was so fun. I was doing okay at first, and then I didn't do too well. But I mean, I started with like 20,000 in like fake money, and then I came out with like 40,000, which is good if this were real. But some people there was this guy who's at the table who ended up with so much money at the end. I was like, how? Like, he just kept getting money, and I was like, great, I am betting so wrong. But we ended up getting, let me show you, where'd I set it? Okay, so we had this nice little cup we got when we went in, and they gave us a chip so we could start playing, and then there was a few tickets already, so even if you didn't win anything, you were already entered in a raffle, which is nice. So I got like 5 or 6 tickets from playing blackjack. I do not know the conversion rate for that, but yeah, I did not win anything in the raffle, but it was still really fun to try. And then we took some photo booth pictures, which turned out so cute, and it was so much fun. We were just dancing and hanging out, eating sweets. But yeah, that was my first college formal. It was so fun. Anyways, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this quick little vlog. I know it was pretty random and all over the place, but I just wanted to share with you. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any videos you want to watch, because love your ideas. I hope y'all are doing amazing. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit that like button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!